Hey, what's up? I'm back with a new smartphone from Nokia. It is known as Nokia X7 on Chinese market and Nokia 8.1 on global market. The phone was released in October 2018, but we received it just yesterday. So, this is the first unboxing video. Later we will publish performance, battery and camera tests of Nokia X7. All the links will be in description under this video. Nokia X7 is mid-range phone with notch design, Full HD display, Snapdragon 710 chipset, 20 megapixels front camera and dual rear camera from Zeiss. Before we start unboxing, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. All Nokia phones come in branded boxes. The front panel of the box has two hands, image of the smartphone, and model number at the bottom. On the back you can read the main specifications of Nokia X7, such as display, camera, processor, etc. As you can see, all inscriptions are in Chinese, because Nokia X7 model is for the Chinese market. The global version of this phone is called Nokia 8.1. Later we will talk about this in details. Opening the box you will see Nokia X7 in transparent package. Also, it has factory film on the back. Together with smartphone you will get silicone protective case, user manual, USB cable, power adapter. By the way, Nokia X7 has USB Type-C port and power adapter has 9W and 2A. It means that new phone supports fast charging. In coming days we will make battery test and find out screen on time and charging time. That's all. This is quite standard package for Nokia phones. Now let's talk about design of Nokia X7. The smartphone was released at the end of 2018, but it has a big notch above the display. In my opinion, it looks outdated in 2019. The bezels on the right and left of the screen are quite thin, but not the bottom bezel, because there is Nokia logo. The rear panel of Nokia X7 is made of glass, while the frame is aluminium. You can see dual camera from Zeiss, flashlight and fingerprint reader on the back. As I already said, the phone has USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack. In general, Nokia X7 has a good build quality and in the hands it feels premium and expensive. From other side, the big notch above the display makes it dated. The smartphones in 2019 should have water drop notch, hole punch display or even full bezel-less screens. Now, very quickly about the display. Nokia X7 has 6.18-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixels. The screen-to-body ratio is about 81.2%. The main feature of the display is HDR10 support. Also, Nokia X7 has IPS panel, not OLED. You can play HDR video. By the way, if you don't like the notch above the display, you can hide it in the settings menu. Also, there is eye protection mode and night mode. Most likely, hardware is the main feature of Nokia X7. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 710 chipset. I have version with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory card instead of the second SIM. Later we will make performance test of Nokia X7, but right now I want to show you and do the result. The smartphone scores about 167,000 points. Nokia X7 is designed for Chinese market and there is no Google services such as Play Store, YouTube, Maps, etc. However, you can install them by yourself. It is very easy. I will leave the link in description how to do this. From other side, Nokia X7 has multi-language support. You can choose any language you want, for example, English, Russian, Spanish, etc. Oh, I forgot to say that Nokia X7 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. I'm sure that it will receive software updates regularly. In coming days, we will publish camera test of Nokia X7 with sample photos and videos in different modes and light conditions. You can find the video by the link in description. Right now I can tell you about camera sensors and show you camera app. Nokia X7 is equipped with 20 megapixels front camera at f2.0 aperture. The rear camera consists of the main 12 megapixels sensor and f1.8 aperture and 13 megapixels secondary sensor for bokeh effect. The camera app offers many modes such as square, panorama, live bokeh, pro, photo, video, time-lapse and slow motion. In settings menu I will find HDR support, but only for photos. So it was unboxing and first review of Nokia X7. In coming days we will make separate videos about performance, battery and camera of this phone. You can watch all these videos by the links in description. At the moment I have mixed feeling about this phone. From one side it has high build quality, Full HD display with HDR10 support, Snapdragon 710 chipset and good cameras. However, there is a big notch above the display and quite small battery. Also, you will need to install Google services manually. But the main drawback of this phone is the price. It costs $280 on Gearbest. I think it is quite expensive. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy this smartphone, I will leave the link in description. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.